Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Chrysler 300 with its key fob. First, ensure your key fob is present inside the vehicle. The car needs to detect the fob's signal to allow ignition. Always confirm the fob's battery has sufficient power for reliable operation. This initial step is crucial for a smooth start every time you get behind the wheel. Once your key fob is inside the Chrysler 300 and detected, the starting process is straightforward. Place your foot firmly on the brake pedal. Then, simply press the start/stop button once. The engine should then smoothly come to life, ready for your drive. This standard procedure works reliably when your fob is functioning correctly, ensuring you can get on the road without delay. What if your key fob battery is dead? Don't worry, there's a simple workaround. With your foot on the brake, use the key fob itself to press the start/stop button. The vehicle has a backup antenna that can read the fob's signal even without battery power. This clever method ensures you can still start your Chrysler 300 and get where you need to go. If your Chrysler 300 still won't start, consider checking your main car battery. A weak car battery can prevent ignition, even with a working key fob. Remember to replace your key fob batteries every 2 years to avoid unexpected issues. Life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice. Also, check the description for a link to that and other great deals to keep your ride fresh and running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.